Hi everyone, welcome to my Optimum Health God's Way YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at the benefits of gratitude or thanksgiving on our physical and spiritual health. What if the best part of Thanksgiving is not the pie, the turkey, or the stuffing, but the profound benefits it provides? The act of giving thanks is scientifically linked to greater happiness and reduced stress. And Thanksgiving offers a powerful and enjoyable way to improve your mental health, emotional health, and spiritual health all at once. Therefore, it could become one of the secrets to a healthier you, that is, a renewed appreciation for the good things in your life. Harvard Health and other studies show that practicing gratitude has powerful and sometimes surprising benefits for both your mind and your body. Although Thanksgiving is often remembered for its feast, but it offers a powerful tool for your well-being that goes far beyond the dinner table. For this simple practice of gratitude can physically lower stress, boost your happiness, and even improve your sleep. In a world that is constantly pulling our attention, Thanksgiving offers a much needed pause or break because it is more than just a meal. It is a chance to practice powerful mental and physical health routine that can reduce stress and increase contentment, all while celebrating the people and things that matter the most. Therefore, in my opinion, we should celebrate Thanksgiving, thankfulness, gratitude more often than just once a year. Now let's look at the definition of thankfulness, gratitude, and thanksgiving. Thankfulness. It is a feeling of appreciation that often arises or tied to a particular favor, gift, relief, event. And thankfulness is the external, verbal, or written expression of appreciation. Gratitude is a mindset or attitude of appreciation that exists regardless of external circumstances. Gratitude is the inward feeling of appreciation and thankfulness for life's blessings and for what you have. Thanksgiving is the act of expressing thankfulness or the outward expression of gratitude, turning the internal feeling into action. Now let's look at the importance of the spirit of gratitude. Number one, gratitude promotes health, both spiritual, physical, and emotional health. 2. Gratitude serves as a weapon against discontent, helps people resist melancholy, discontented, or negative thoughts. 3. Gratitude fosters closer relationships. Regularly showing gratitude strengthens the connection between God and His people, parents and children, spouses, friends, allowing deeper and more intimate and feel-good relationship. And I would even say it win-win, because if I'm grateful, it makes me happy. And if I'm being appreciated for what I've done, it makes me happy too. 4. Gratitude strengthens faith. By giving thanks, individuals can grow in their faith and trust. For example, between God, our faith and trust in God will grow, for God as our provider and supporter, enabling us to make through and endure difficulties and hardships. 5. Gratitude helps cultivate a positive mindset. A grateful attitude helps individuals to focus on the blessings they received than on what they lack. Thus, it improves their perspective and fills them with joy and optimism. That is positive mindset. 6. Gratitude helps foster humility. Gratitude makes people realize and recognize blessings as gifts, not solely the result of their own efforts, thus encouraging them to feel more dependent and less self-important. That means more humble. 7. Keeps one from becoming self-centered. By shifting focus from your own needs to the contributions of others, encourages empathy by reminding you of the kindness you have received and prompting you to pay it forward or do the same for others. Thus makes you recognize your independence, promotes generosity, shifts your focus from your problems to abundance, and reduces entitlement. That means feeling that others owe you, and replaces it with an appreciation for what you have been given. Thus leads to greater satisfaction and less self-pity and self-centeredness. Now let's look at spiritual benefits of gratitude. Number 1, increases faith and trust. Gratitude helps people see the presence of a higher power in their lives and helps them to trust God more, recognizing Him as the source of their blessings, and to have faith and confidence that He will protect, guide, provide their lives, their needs. Thus strengthens faith and trust in God. 2, fosters inner peace. A grateful spirit is linked to a peaceful heart and mind, lifting the soul and helping to fight off or counteract negative thoughts and feelings. For example, Isaiah 26:3 and 4, when we are filled with gratitude toward God, our mind will be on the good things and the blessings that God has done for us, so it would give us peace. And if we trust in Him, He will give us perfect peace. 3, builds resilience. Gratitude provides the power to endure and thrive through or cope with difficulties by helping you focus on God's provision even amidst challenges. 4, encourages dependence on God. Gratitude promotes our dependence on God or our parents 100%. Thus draws us closer to God or our parents or our spouses when we depend on them 100% or a lot, thus leading to a deeper spiritual connection with God. 5, promotes a positive mindset. Gratitude shifts one's focus from iniquities, guilt, shame, selfishness, and problems to God's rich provisions of grace. Thus, it promotes a positive mindset. Number 6, enhances spiritual growth. By appreciation of the blessings and the good things that we receive, and by sharing them with others, a spirit of gratitude helps believers grow in grace and become more effective believers, and help them grow to be more like Jesus and be co-laborers together with God. 7, improves relationships. Gratitude promotes happiness and joy by appreciating the blessings and the good things that we are given, and by being appreciated because of the grateful people. It helps promote joy and happiness on both the grateful person and the person who is being appreciated. And gratitude helps align our will with God's will and help us to recognize God's faithfulness and presence, and helps us to acknowledge Him as the source of all good things. And gratitude helps us to give glory to God as we should. 8, gratitude helps provide hope. By acknowledging the favors and the blessings of God or the people that we are grateful to, would like to help us and give us more favors and help when we need it, especially during difficult times. So it can anchor one in hope and trust. Number 9, complete restoration or abundant life. When Jesus healed 10 lepers and only one of them came back to thank Him, Jesus asked what happened to the rest that didn't come back and thank Him. At the same time, Jesus added to the grateful leper, your faith has made you whole, not just physical healing, but also spiritual, emotional healing too. That means the other 9 that didn't come back to thank Jesus didn't get to be healed whole, but the one that came back to thank Him was being restored spiritually, emotionally, and physically, which Jesus referred to as abundant life. Now let's look at physical benefits of gratitude. Number 1, reduces stress and negative mental state. Gratitude lowers the levels of stress hormone, which is cortisol, and helps to activate parasympathetic nervous system that promotes a state of rest and relaxation and helps boost mood by decreasing symptoms of negative mental state like depression, anxiety, discouragement, and others. 2. Increases longevity and aids in recovery. According to Harvard T.H. School of Public Health, gratitude increases motivation, relationship well-being, such as happiness, positive self-esteem, motivation, so it helps you to achieve recovery goals easier, and it helps extend lifespan. 3. Strengthens immune system. Gratitude is linked to improved immune function. By reducing stress, it helps boost immune system. That means fewer illnesses, or you get sick less often, and faster recovery time because of your good immune system. 4. Increases energy. People who practiced gratitude often report feeling more energized and more motivated. 5. Promotes healthy habits. People who practice gratitude are more motivated, thus they are likely to exercise regularly, eat a healthier diet, and take better care of their overall wellness. 6. Fosters healthy relationship. When you show appreciation, it makes you happy and make others happy. So it's like when you are grateful, you are happy, and the person that you are grateful to is happy too. So it's like a win-win situation. Happy situation. And gratitude makes you courteous and positive. And according to the law of attraction, we as human beings are attracted to courteous and positive, grateful people. 7. Helps improve sleep. Gratitude can lead to better sleep quality by calming the nervous system and reducing worry and stress. Thus, it promotes positive mood and gives you peace. When you have good quality and quantity sleep, it helps with your healing, gives you energy, better mood like happiness, satisfaction, joy, and others. 8. Reduces inflammation and pain. Gratitude helps to reduce stress, promotes better sleep, motivates healthier habits, thus helps you to have less inflammation and pain by easing your physical discomfort and pain. 9. Helps improve overall well-being. Gratitude makes a person feel happy, and in Proverbs it says, a merry heart does good like a medicine, so it's healing to your body. And since your body is interconnected, like physical, spiritual, emotional, and mental are interconnected, so when your physical is healthy, will have positive effects on the rest of the areas of the body too. Now let's look at how to cultivate gratitude daily. Number 1, begin and end your day with gratitude. Be grateful to God and to others for all the blessings, all the positivities in your daily life. 2, keep a gratitude journal. Regularly writing down things you are thankful for can improve your long-term feelings of well-being. 3, practice gratitude daily throughout the day. Intentionally look for things to be grateful for each day, even small pleasures or favors. 4, practice mindful reflection. Write down in flashcards, thank you cards, or small notes 3 to 5 things you are thankful for each day to shift your focus to the positive things in your life. Take time to notice and appreciate positive experiences as they happen. Pay attention to your surroundings and find gratitude in everything every day, even during difficult times. Pray to specifically express gratitude for the blessings in your life. Even bad things, they could be blessings in disguise. 5, actively express gratitude and appreciation to others. A simple thank you can strengthen your relationships and boost your mood. Make it a habit to verbally express appreciation for acts of kindness, both big and small. Take time to write a heartfelt letter or note to someone who has made a positive impact on your life. 6, give compliments. Offer sincere compliments to others can boost your own mood and sense of gratitude. Perform acts of service. Volunteer your time, help neighbor or the needy. Show support to those around you to increase your own sense of gratitude and boost your well-being. 7. Learn to cultivate a very good habit of counting all your blessings at the end of every day. 8. Share your testimony often. Share with others all the positive things, good things, blessings you enjoy for your own benefit and for others' benefits. 9. Determine to repeat the process of gratitude daily till it becomes your routine of gratitude or thankfulness. Friends, I would like to leave you with 3 John 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that you may prosper and be in health as your soul prospers. Bye for now. God bless.